Hi, this is Gautam. So today's class is going to discuss about the safety. It's not reading activity. Going to be the reading story. How the knowledge will be within the 5 pillar that should be matched and aligned with the story reading. That is, this information will be shared by the students. Some more students in the lab. So start with Anish.
So in the talk about the 5 pillars of the concept. The 5 pillars are story exercise to control the first the 5 pillars are based on story. The subject or the subject character problem first
you are going to choose the to set up our career. If we are going to choose the right career as well as right path means should be aligned with safety. So என்ன சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்னா போகும் பாதை வந்து சரியானதாக இருந்தால் நம்ம டிராவல் பண்ணி போகிறதுக்கு டெஸ்டினி நம்ம வந்து கரெக்டாக அரைவ் ஆகிடலாம். ஸோ அதுதான் வந்து எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ தேங்க்யூ.